Hello students, today I am going to show you how to design the table in our web page. Okay, to design a table in web page facilitate us to write the data in a tabular form like in row and column way. Okay, if we want to write the data separately in row wise or column wise, then we have to design the table. For that, I am going to show you to design the table in HTML. I am going to use HTML to design a web page. So, see on the desktop, this is the table. In this table, I have fed the data A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I and J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, whatever data you can feed anything instead of that. And see, this is a horizontal line is called a row and this is a vertical line is called a column. So here there are three columns, 1, 2 and 3 and 2 rows, 1 and 2 rows. Okay. In this way we can design as many as rows and columns. So to design this type of table, we use Notepad to write the program in HTML. See, this is a Notepad. Here you can see that this is a Notepad editor, and program can be written as HTML, starting from HTML head, and after that title program is written. Title tag is written. In title, I have written table program because this program is related to the table. That is why I have written table program and close here table tag. Okay, this slash is used for closing tag. Okay, we can also close the head tag after the title, but I have used closing of the head tag at the bottom. We can use anywhere. So after title, I have used body tag here, and inside the body table tag has used, and border is an attribute and 2 is the value of that attribute. Okay, inside the table tag there is a tr is a short form of table row. That means tr will design the row of the table, and inside the table row I have used td, that means table data. Table data is used for the cell as a column also, and in first column, in first cell I have used ABC, TD has closed, second TD open, DEF, TD, GHI. This is the data inside the table data. Okay. Also you can see the in first row there are 1, 2, 3 columns and data has fed this one. First row has been closed here. See. Second row has started. TD, JKL, TD close, TD, MNO, TD close, TD, PQR, TD close. Again, I have closed TR tag here. So, I have used only 2 rows and 3 columns in our table. After that, I have closed here TR tag and body tag, head tag, HTML tag. You can also close the table tag also here. You can close the table tag, and by default without closing it will be used. It can run the program. Okay. So after written this type of program, we save the program using Control S. Okay. Or also we can go on the file menu and click on the save as. You can write here table 1 okay dot html. You can use the name of the program anything, and .html is the extension. Click on the save menu. I am going to save on the desktop. See here. Click on the save menu. It will be saved, and we can see on the desktop. First refresh that thing. See here table 1 program is here, table 1. Okay. As a browser we are clicking on that. See, program has printed now. Again, I am going to change something in that program. Suppose I want to display our table at the center of the desktop. Okay, at the center of the desktop. So we can use here align equal to in double quote center. Align equal to center. Okay, and also I want to change the border color. Okay, I want to change the border color. Write down here. Border color equal to red. Border color equal to red. See, I am going to change these two things. Align equal to center and border color equal to red. Okay. Again, save this program using Control plus S. After saving, refresh the program. Okay. Now going to open table 1 program. See, our program has printed now displayed on the desktop as a middle of the desktop. Okay, and its border color has become red. Okay, we have learned these things. Again, I am going to change something. Open Notepad. Now, suppose I want to write the name of the students like a heading. So inside the first, or you can use first row in this way, use TR. TR, okay. Inside the TR, I am going to use TH. TH for table heading. TH tag is used for table heading. Okay, inside the TH, I am writing TD name, RAM Ram. Close the TD tag. Once again, TD, right here, SITA Sita, TD close. Once again, TD, Mohan, close TD. Okay, next TH close. Closing tag /. Next TR close. /TR close. Okay, see, I have changed this thing. TR, inside the TR I have used TH for table heading. Inside the table heading I have given the name. Okay, and again I am going to save that using Control plus S. See, refresh the program. Click on it. See here, Ram Sita Mohan has printed here. One more cell has drawn because TH, I have used TH inside the TR. So in TR there is nothing. That's why this space is blank. Okay. Inside the Ram Sita Mohan, you can use in this way also, in vertical way also, and in horizontal way also. Anyway, you can use the data. Okay. Now once again I am going to show you the HTML or Notepad editor. See this program. In this way we can use the table program. We can format the program. That means we can change the appearance of the table using some value or properties or attribute like border. Again we can change it border equal to 5. Border equal to, suppose I have changed to 2 from 5. Okay, now your border size is 5 and Control S. After pressing Control S, we can see the effect of using Control 5. That means thickness has a lot. See, the border size has very thick instead of previous border. Okay, in this way you can use the formatting in table. Students, I hope that you have understood how to run the program, how to design the program, okay, in this way. So I hope that you will try to do the program. Thank you, students.